Hello students, I am Ajay Yadav, lecturer in English from Government Polytechnic, Nanded. Today we are going to learn about one grammatical content, that is articles. You might know and used these articles while speaking someone or while writing something. Let's have a look at what these articles are and where they are used. English language has three articles: a, an, and the. These articles are used before nouns, particularly before common nouns or collective nouns. You may have an example. Girl, we say a girl. A boy, a herd of deer, a bunch of keys, an umbrella, the sun, the moon. In some cases, these articles are used before proper nouns too. You may take one example as Sunil Yadav is the Sachin Tendulkar of Nanded 11 cricket team. Here, Sachin Tendulkar is a proper noun and we used article the before that proper noun. So there are two kinds of articles: definite article as the and indefinite articles as a and an. Definite articles, the refers to specific. Mind it? It refers to specific or particular person or thing. Let's take one example. Hima Das is the most talented athletic in India. We are talking about Hima Das, a specific person. For that purpose, we use definite article the there. Indefinite article a and an are used before indefinite, that is general person, animal or thing. For example, I saw a boy yesterday. It is an apple. A boy, a general person. An apple, a general thing. So in this way, there are two kinds of articles, that is definite articles and indefinite articles. Let's have a look what this definite article is. Definite article the is used before the unique objects, before superlatives, before a whole group of people, to show geographical area or locations, to mention decades, to name rivers, oceans or seas, with proper nouns to make comparisons or while identifying. Here are some examples of the use of article the. The sun, the moon, these are the objects. He is the tallest boy in the class. In the superlative degree, we use the as the article there. The Indian, the Americans, the men, the old men group. It's about groups. The Atlantic Sea, the Sahara Desert, it is about location or geographical area. I like 70s songs. I'm talking about decades, 70s, these 70s. The Ganga River, the Pacific Ocean, the Arabic Sea. These are the names of rivers, oceans and sea. See one next example. Donald Trump is the Narendra Modi of America. We are using article the before the proper noun, that is Narendra Modi. The red car, the white building, when we identify a particular thing about its identity. We have one more article type, that is indefinite article. In it, indefinite article a is used with nouns starting with consonants to refer particular number with a name of job or musical instrument, expletive word, etc. For example, a cat, a bat, a game, a boy, a doctor, a guitar. In a sentence like, what a beautiful scene it is, a beautiful. Indefinite articles an is used with vowels a, e, I, o, u and with abbreviations. For example, an animal, an umbrella, an ant, an engineer, an idiot, an object, an MLA. Okay, friends? It's something about definite and indefinite articles. Listen them carefully and try to solve out the exercise which is given in your textbook. We'll meet with a new topic in our next class. Bye.